The topic that I'm going to do today is letter writing, and this is a prescribed topic for all first year, second semester general English students. This video will help everyone learn how to write informal letters. The focus that I am going to give today is informal letter writing. Everyone knows that there are two types of letter writing. One is formal, another one is informal. And when we talk about formal letters, we do follow certain pattern like this. For an example, if you are writing a leave letter to your HOD or to the principal, what you do is you write from to and the salutation, body of the letter, conclusion, and your signature. This is a formal letter, whereas when we talk about informal letters, we follow a different pattern. And I would like to tell you one more thing, that when we talk about letter writing, actually, when I was a kid, maybe around at the age of 10, I was staying in a hostel where I do have the habit of writing letter to my dad. I post that, and my dad sent me a reply, and I do enjoyed that because the words that I see in the letter, it shows the emotions of my father, where I was very happy, and I do have that letters now, and these are considered to be treasures. But nowadays, due to the development of technology and media, we have forgotten the art of letter writing, and we have forgotten how to write a formal or informal letter. Recently, we have a method called block method, where everything is written at the left hand corner, and people when they see such letter writings, they will suggest us that no, this is not an accepted format. But that is not true. Everything is accepted, and this is a universally accepted format that I am going to teach you today. Informal letter is a type of letter writing which is used to convey your emotions first thing. And why do we write? We to whom do we write? So we want to express our emotion. That is why do we write. And whom do we write? We write letters to our father, mother, friend, uncle, our relatives, and anybody who is close to ourselves. And this types of letter does not demand any dashing words. What does it mean, dashing words? It means that you should not use impressive words, because they are our relative, they know us well, so that is there is no use of using impressive words. And one more thing that it is we have to follow a particular format while writing an informal letter. So what does that particular format? It means that the recipient of the letter should be aware of the sender. So what we have to do is, in the beginning, you have to write your name, telling the reader that I am Kumar. So it is essential to write the sender's name and address at the beginning of the letter, and it is followed by a certain format, and I will tell you that. All this, look at here, I have highlighted, I have bold this one. It means that all this should be written on the left hand corner of the page. So everything should be written at the left hand corner. And one more mistake, often all the students, what they do is they write their beginner sentence using small letters. This should be avoided. All right, in English, and when we write letters, not only letters, when you write a paragraph or an essay or anything, you should begin with a capital letter. This is a basic thing. So right, should be written, they, it means that letter writing, all the paragraphs should be written starting with capital letters. And I'm going to the format. So the first one I have mentioned here is sender's name. Sender's name, for example, Kumar. Kumar is going to write a letter to his father. Sender's name, and if you are staying in your hostel, write Kumar, GVN hostel, GVN college hostel, and write today's date 9/5/2020. And salutation, what does it mean? Salutation, it means that when you write a letter to your father, can you say that dear Ramasamy? No, it is not accepted. So when you write a letter to your father, you have to use my dear father. Or if I'm going to write a letter to my friend, so in such situation you can use dear Raja, right? So dear Raja, it means that your friend, and for your father or your mother or your uncle, you have to write my dear uncle, my dear father, my dear mother, my dear sister, my dear brother. All right. So for your friends, it means that dear Kumar, dear Raja, dear Rani, dear Subbu, so and so and so you can write. Going to the body of the letter, so divide your informal letter into three parts. One is the introductory paragraph. Intro paragraph. It means that you ask the recipient about how is he, and how his parents are, and where is he now, and so on. So it is introductory paragraph. And coming back to the second paragraph, that is important, in which you wish to say what you wish to say to your friend or to your father. The actual message that you wish to say is the second paragraph. And third paragraph is the conclusion line. It can be in a single line, so that is not a problem. And the final is very important, where you have to sign off. It is not a signature, where you have to close with proper words. It means your loving friend, your loving father, or my loving sister. So you have to close it properly. It is followed by your signature within bracket. And the last thing that is very important in all informal letters is address on the envelope. So remember, my dear students, for all informal letters you should write address on the envelope. So from this is to so for an example, I am Kumar writing letter to Mr. Raja, who is staying in Bangalore. I am staying in Kovilpati, and this is a format. And from the examination point of view, always remember, you should not write your names and street names, so and so. So please do use this one. It means address on the envelope to Mr. AAABBBXXXYY, so and so, as you wish. And YYY stands for address, ZZZ stands for area. Got it? And I'm going to give you a sample letter now. This is write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to participate in your birthday celebration party which your parents have arranged. Alright, so I have mentioned here 25 Gandhinagar, Trichy. Instead, if you wish, you can mention that as 25 Gandhinagar, China, Bangalore, as you wish. That's not a problem. And it is followed by date. So remember, so I have drawn a line here. It means it's a margin, and I have written everything near the margin, that is left hand corner. So this is salutation. It is my dear friend, and this is an introductory paragraph. Hi friend, how are you? I am getting on well here. I wish to hear the same from you about the members of your family and friends. And this is second paragraph, where I wish to convey the matter of this letter. It is inviting him to your birthday party. So second paragraph is very important, where you have to write all the relevant information here. So I am extremely happy to inform you that my 16th birthday falls on 15th of this month. My parents would like to celebrate it in grand manner with all my close friends and relatives. They are making elaborate arrangements for my birthday celebration. So, and it's a continuation of the second paragraph. So I most cordially request you to make it convenient to attend my birthday party to be celebrated at our residence on that day. And this is the last paragraph, that is conclusion paragraph. I am eagerly expecting your arrival here on that day. Or it can be awaiting a response. Or it can be I am expecting your arrival. That's all. And yours lovingly. So when we talk about sign off, in yours lovingly, instead of yours lovingly, we can use your loving friend. That is also okay, no problem at all. But you should not use a formal sign off. That is, it means that yours obediently, yours sincerely, yours faithfully. Such sign off should not be used in informal letter. After sign off, it means it means it is your signature followed by address on the envelope to Mr. XXX, so on, so it's over. And my dear students, this is exercises questions. Please do work out all the exercises. Definitely it will help you to write letter. So when you, for an example, I'll give you one more example for informal letter. It means that your brother's marriage falls on 25th of this month, and you are going to invite your friend again. The same thing, follow this pattern, address, date, my dear friend. So I'm getting on well here, I wish to hear the same. This remains the same, and the last one also the same. So the first paragraph, the introduction paragraph, and the conclusion paragraph remain same for all informal letter. It depends on the question. You can change the conclusion, that's not a problem. And the body of the letter for the example, the second example is, I'm extremely, you can take the sentence from here, I'm extremely happy to inform you that my brother's marriage falls on 25th of this month. My parents have allowed me to my parents have allowed me to invite all my friends, so I cordially request you to attend my brother's marriage, and it can be a get together. And we can have a lot of fun. I have invited all our friends for the marriage function. So make it convenient to attend the wedding. And the conclusion is, awaiting your response or awaiting your arrival as you wish. So, and signing off. So thank you friends, and make use of all the notes. Do learn and study well for your upcoming exams. Thank you.